గొప్ప ఆధ్యాత్మిక సామాజిక ప్రాముఖ్యత కలిగిన కర్ణాటకలోని ఉడిపి అష్టమఠాలలో ఒకటైన సోడే వాదరాజ మఠం 36వ పీఠాధిపతి శ్రీ విశ్వవల్లభతీర్థ స్వామీజీ శుక్రవారం శ్రీ సిటీని సందర్శించారు. తన శిష్య బృందంతో పాటు విచ్చేసిన స్వామీజీకి స్థానిక బిజినెస్ సెంటర్ వద్ద శ్రీ సిటీ మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్ డాక్టర్ రవీంద్ర సన్నారెడ్డి సాంప్రదాయంగా స్వాగతం పలికారు. శ్రీ సిటీ ప్రగతి ప్రత్యేకతలు, ఉపాధి, పచ్చదనం, పర్యావరణ హిత కార్యక్రమాలను ఆయనకు వివరించారు.
Morning from coffee, tea to breakfast, these are all the food stall. Amber.
अस्मारोधत्तं दीर्घायुत्वाय
ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಲದು. ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವರ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕು. ಈ ದೇವರ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಹಾಗೂ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಎರಡು ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಸೇರಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಯತ್ರ ಯೋಗೇಶ್ವರ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಯತ್ರ ಪಾರ್ಥೋ ಧನುರ್ಧರ ತತ್ರ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿಜಯ ಭೂತಿ ಧ್ರುವ ನಿತಿರ್ಮತಿರ್ಮಮ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿರುತ್ತಾನೋ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಧನುರ್ಧಾರಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಪಾರ್ಥ ಅರ್ಜುನ ಇರುತ್ತಾನೋ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜಯ ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಎನ್ನುವುದು ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಜುನ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದ ಪ್ರತೀಕ. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಗವಂತನ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಕೂಡ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಂಪತ್ತು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಫಲ ಅದರ ಸಿಗುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಶಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದಂತಹ ಮಾತು. ಆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದಂತಹ ಮಾತಿನ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಿಎಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ನಮಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ರವೀಂದ್ರ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ, ಅವರಿಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಭಗವಂತನ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಎರಡು ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿಟಿ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಹೆಸರು ಬಹಳ ಅನರ್ಥಕ. ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ತಿರುಪತಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಶ್ರೀಪೆರಂಬದೂರು, ಶ್ರೀಹರಿಕೋಟ, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಿಟಿ ಇದೆ.
On Ekadasi, I was reading, were also known as Ekadasi Swami. So it just happened, though it's randomly picked up the date given to us. I didn't know at that time it was Ekadasi. Today, as you all know, it is Ekadasi and very auspicious. And today only after around 2 o'clock only I was reading background and they say you were known as Ekadasi Swami in the beginning. Ekadasi Swami. Blessings to Sri City and Sri City community. We are so happy, Swami. You are the second pontiff to come here. Shankaracharya was here from Sacramento about before COVID. It was in 2020. So 2025 we have to wait 5 years for any other pontiff to come. We are also so blessed and auspicious. Today Swamiji is inaugurating our Navagraha Vanam, Rasi Vanam and Nakshatra Vanam. So in a business community, Tulsi itself is a rare commodity, but here we are so blessed to have all the Nakshatras, Rasis and Navagraha plants, and also as I mentioned we also have Rudraksha plant here. So on Ekadasi day you are inaugurating, so it gives a lot of other positive energy.
स्वामी
సంకల్ప ఏకాదశి